In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. This tutorial will guide you through creating a visual project timeline where you can track tasks, deadlines, and progress all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is that it allows you to create Gantt chart systems quickly using ready-made templates. These templates save time and ensure your system is organized, professional, and easy to use without starting from scratch. To get started, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Gantt chart or timeline, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for project roadmaps, team projects, or multi-phase timelines. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits your project management style. Once you find a template that works for you, click the preview image to take a closer look. Reviewing the preview image allows you to see the layout, the sections included, and how tasks are displayed over time. This step is important because it ensures the template includes key elements like start and end dates, milestones, task dependencies, and statuses. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace or a shared workspace if your team will be collaborating. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. You'll see the main timeline view that shows tasks as bars across a calendar. You can customize the Gantt chart by adding new tasks, editing start and end dates, assigning team members, and setting task priorities. You can also group or filter tasks to focus on specific projects or phases. The key benefit of using a template is that it provides a ready-made structure, so you can focus on managing tasks and deadlines instead of designing the system from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a Gantt chart system in Notion using a template, making it easy to track project timelines, monitor progress, and keep your team aligned. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.